In this video, I want to show you how you can cartoonize your photo. All right, you can as well use it to make money by charging people a little fee to do that. You may think that many people know how to do it, but it will surprise you to know that many people don't know how to do it. And some persons, even if they know, they wouldn't mind paying you to do it for them. All right, so you can make money with this. You can go on freelancer websites and post your cartoon works, and you see people contacting you to cartoonize their photo. Okay, so there are so many apps you can use, and one of them is TuneApp. So you go to Play Store or you go to your Apple Store and download this app. Okay, then you open it. So when you open it, this is how it looks. Okay, we have 2D cartoon, we have 3D cartoon, we have full body cartoon, we have animal cartoon, we have new profile pic. Okay, so you can select any of these. All right, so let's get started. Let's just take the 3D. Okay, when you tap on it, you'll be asked to give the app access to your device, that is access to your media. All right, so at this point you can select your gallery to locate the photo you want to cartoonize. So let's just select our gallery, and let me go to my downloads. Okay, all right, this is for educational purposes, so let me take this. Okay, it says analyzing face, create cartoon. All right, so you'll be given different options that you can choose from. Okay, you'll be given different options, then you choose the one you want. For example, let's try this. Can you see? Let's try this. Can you see? Then you click on this save icon. Okay, it says save to gallery. Then you can share or you can ignore. All right, then you go back. Also, another thing you can do is, if you know photo editing, by the time you cartoonize these photos, you can use other apps to edit it and make it beautiful by adding one or two features to it. All right, so this is how you can cartoonize somebody's photo or your photo with this app.